Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to send Instagram post automatically to Discord. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Discord, click the register option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, I need you to do the same thing in Instagram. Log in to your credentials. If this is your first time on Instagram, click the sign up option. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you're all set. Sending Instagram posts automatically to Discord can offer several benefits, especially for individuals in communities looking to integrate their social media presence, because automatically sharing Instagram posts to Discord can keep your community engaged with your content across different platforms. Now, for community servers, sharing posts can help build a sense of connection and keep members updated on the latest content. Now, there's no feature or no known feature that could send Instagram posts automatically to Discord, even if you use the settings here from Discord or in the Instagram platform. What we need to do is to use another third-party service, and that's going to be Zapier. Alright, so here we can create integrations between Discord and Instagram to automate any workflow. Of course, all we have to do is connect these apps to have these endless possibilities. For example, we can choose a trigger, an event that starts an automation, and of course, you can choose an action. That's going to be an event or the automation performs after it's triggered. Alright, now click on connect these apps. Now, the thing is, we are going to create a new Zap instead, because now I'm creating a new Zap instead, and basically we can rename this Zap into this one. The first trigger is gonna be, of course, it's Instagram. All right, click on it. And what will happen is we need to choose an event, and that's going to be when new media posted in my account. All right. And then, of course, we can click on continue, and we just need to connect to Instagram. Let me do that right now. And once you do that, of course, there's going to be a pop-up window asking you to authorize and allow Instagram to use cookies and a lot more. And from here, just click on allow. All right, and click on allow. There you go. Okay, so we've done the Instagram section. The next thing that we are going to do is with the Discord. All right, so from here, all we have to do is search for Discord. There we go. And what we need in Discord is choose an event. And that's going to be send a channel message. All right. So whenever the Instagram posted a new media in the account, it's going to be sending a new channel message. All right. And from here, just click on continue. Let me do with that. Okay. Like Instagram, all I'm going to do is just click on the Discord and let Zapier do the work for you. And from here, just select a server. That's going to be the Andy's guides how to. Click on continue, and of course just click on authorize, and that's that. Now from here, after authenticating the apps, what will happen is we need to fill in as much as information here. All right, so the channel is going to be okay. So from here, for example, you can select a channel. All right, it's going to be read only text channel, and you can enter a message, for example, such as this one, and of course you can go and complete this step for now. All right, but we're going to skip for that. And you can also search for the username role in everyone mentions. After that, you can ask for a text to speech or a custom option right here. You can do that. You can click on continue, but you need to skip some tests because that's going to be take a lot of time. We're gonna skip this for now, and voila, you have already created on how to send Instagram posts automatically to Discord, all right? Now, another option that we can discuss is a platform called AppyPie, and from here you can integrate Instagram with Discord by AI agents and assistants. And from here, AppyPie Automate allows you to, of course, automate multiple workflows between Instagram and Discord, so you're not limited with the sending Instagram posts automatically, but you can do that with a lot of options. And from here, just connect Instagram plus Discord, and this video is a step-by-step guideline, but it's basically very easy and a straightforward process if you wanted to integrate these platforms. All you have to do is just sign up for a free account and let the AppyPie do the work for you. And again, they have like 7 days free trial. You can cancel at credit time if you want it. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.